So over here is a restaurant that used to be pretty popular, and a lot of people would actually dine over here. And right, as you can see, there's nobody out right here because for the moment dining is banned out here. So unfortunately, it's available for takeout only. That's sad. It will be open again tomorrow, though, so there's some hope left. Outdoors. It'll be available for outdoor dining as of tomorrow, and so hopefully they'll be able to make money again, which will be nice. And then this is the strangest bookstore because I have no idea if they actually are profitable or not, but they always have like really super left-wing radical books. Like, I don't know, just books that you probably wouldn't find in most stores because I don't think in most neighborhoods it actually sells very well. Like they have, I don't know, just Imaginary Friends Reading Club. They have like a subscription. I think that they either send you books in the mail, just random. Let me turn the light on. I think that they send you books in the mail or something like that, or maybe it's even just a like a donation to the bookstore. They have all kinds of interesting stuff. See, these are not the kind of books you would find in a normal bookstore because I think it's pretty radical. Oh, what?
This restaurant is out of business because of they cannot compete in this environment.
So yeah, so this restaurant over here is just called plant-based food or something like that. It doesn't exist anymore because they just couldn't handle the restrictions. When you have
honeybee burger.
When you have things like, hey, you can only do takeout. Most restaurants can live on just takeout only. It just doesn't work because the whole reason you go to a restaurant is for the experience, and that's what you're paying a premium for. So, I mean, if you want things to go, people go to the supermarket or they go to Subway sandwich or something like that, or McDonald's or something that's cheap, because if you just want it to go, well, then it's all about just eating at home and it doesn't matter. But if you want the experience, nothing really beats a restaurant. That's what you're paying that extra amount of money for. So it's unfortunate that it didn't survive. It's really an unfortunate thing. And here's another thing that's hanging by a thread. Let's see this, the business. Let's see. To be continued. It says it's $9.50 for a movie, but there are no movies that I could see. Me and my parents? No, that's not a movie. So now we're going to a place called Fred 62, and they will have outdoor dining, I believe, tomorrow, Friday. So this is going to be interesting, because right behind me, how can a diner like this survive on just takeout? It doesn't work as a business model. Nobody gets diner food to go. That doesn't work. Let's see, do they have any orders? Sometimes you can see that they have orders waiting like on the table. Oh, yeah, there's like one order I can see. Look, see. So you can see that there's one. So you can see that there's one bag over there, and this is a great place to go when you're able to have like outdoor dining just outside here, which is a cool thing. So, what do you get when you go over here? Well, we usually get the shakes. Let me turn the light on.
Dandy Dom shakes.
The shakes are really excellent at this place.
They get the ice cream from a catering service that you can only get somewhere in the valley, and it's called Dandy Don.
Yep, that's right. Oh, that's a little tour of how things are with the CCP virus. And behind me is a gym that's closed over here. It's no longer really accessible, and as you know, in California and maybe Los Angeles, they shut down the indoor gyms. So over here, there's nothing that's out. There's nothing going on over here. Nothing. So hopefully things will be open again in the near future, but who knows really.
this stuff.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. In this area, people used to be really pretty popular over here. There was a lot of things happening, and right now there's just not a whole lot going on. There's someone screaming back there. It's a little scary. But then over here, there's a bookstore that's kind of semi-closed. Oh wow. Now see that? We learned something today. They closed the store, at least temporarily, because one of the individuals had the CCP virus. Hey everybody, well the local do-gooders in this neighborhood, they like to make things look really nice, and they put this little plaque here, and then look, it's actually broken.
And you cannot read it anymore.
You can't read it.
It's got all the dirt in there.
It's got a whole bunch of dirt, and that shows you try to do a nice thing and people don't appreciate it. It just kind of falls apart over time. And as you can see, there's a beautification project over here. Let's take a look. There's a beautification project over here to make things look beautiful. And what happens? Well, wait, you have to be in front of the microphone.
You can play checkers. You want to sit at the table, guys?
Oh yeah, let's see. Oh, here it is. See, people try to do good things, and look at this. They spend a lot of money, and there's nothing but graffiti on it, and then this is broken right here. It's kind of a sad thing that it shows you that you try to actually make an area look beautiful and to beautify it, and what happens? Some people, they break it. They don't appreciate it, and they just do whatever they want to do, and that's unfortunate. That's a little tour of how things are with the CCP virus, and look forward to talking with you in another video.